prawn and pineapple curry. Hi, I'm Rupa here. Welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I'm going to show you a different curry, which is a prawn pineapple Thai curry. So let's go and look at the ingredients. 1 cup fresh pineapple cut into cubes of 1/2 inch. 8 to 10 tiger prawns, 200 ml of coconut cream, 2 tablespoons fresh coriander chopped, 1 tablespoon red Thai curry paste, 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger, 1 teaspoon fish sauce. We're not using salt in this dish because the fish sauce is very salty. 1 teaspoon sugar and 2 tablespoons chopped spring onion for garnishing. Oil for cooking. I'm using here 1 tablespoon of rice flour paste. This is optional, you can avoid it. I'm just putting it because I want to avoid the curdling of coconut cream. So let's go ahead with the recipe. Take a deep pan and put it on the gas. Take little oil. Once the oil is hot, put 1 tablespoon of red Thai curry paste and saute it in the oil till a nice aroma is given out. Stir in the coconut cream, sugar, coriander, fish sauce and the ginger. Give it a nice mix. Put in this rice paste and stirring the pineapples. Add a little water and cook till the pineapple is little soft. The pineapple is cooked. Now just drop in the prawns into the gravy and give it a boil for 2 minutes, not on high flame. Mix in the prawns in the pineapple mixture and further cook for 2 minutes on simmer. As you can see, the curry is done. The prawns are cooked. So let's garnish it with the spring onions. Stir in for about a minute. The prawns are cooked. Let's serve it. Garnish it with the spring onions. The pineapple prawn curry is ready. Normally it's served with nice jasmine steamed rice.